I feel like, Amsterdam Drone Week is such an important platform that brings the entire industry together. And especially from a European perspective, there's a lot of really important conversation going forward.
I think by now discussions have evolved mainly towards, okay, how do we integrate and talk about an integrated airspace instead of separate manned and unmanned traffic management.
The way we see advanced air mobility from today's point of view is quite realistic, but we are at the early stages. There are many challenges ahead of us that we need to overcome.
Amsterdam Drone Week is an event we've been attending the previous years, and we've seen it grow and bring lots of different people. And what we see is a wonderful blend of new challenges, new regulations.
Can autonomy be introduced safely in aviation? I submit that the right question to ask is how can we make the safest mobility environment there is, aviation?
When we started, the drone industry was composed of people coming from different sectors. And when you look at where we are today, we are getting together. And we start to see the benefits of what this new industry is bringing to aviation.
We willen echt die maatschappelijke impact gaan maken door de maatschappelijke toepassingen van drones te omarmen.
The development of standards that allow for the harmonization globally that is needed to, again, support the industry to be able to grow.
We exchange, we discuss, we discover future developments on innovation, so we can discuss the way forward.
You cannot forecast what the future will look like, but what I've seen in the last 5 years, that so much value is created by all those parties concerned, and I'm proud of bringing so many people together.